Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine today. Today we are going to draw a cute little dog by using dots and connecting the dots. First of all, we put 4 dots on top, then again 4 dots here, and another 4 dots here. Total 12 dots. We start from here to draw the face. First we connect these 2 lines. The face of the dog is getting in shape. Then we connect here to draw the ear. This will be the hand. Then we connect the dots here. This will be the leg. Legs getting more visible. We can connect the dots here finally, and tail comes from this dot. It looks like an S, right? Here the eyes. Another ear on the other side, and another hand. That's it. It's almost done. Now we can put the shades on. Shades make it more visible, more interesting. We need to put shades all over the sketches. The main purpose is to give a 3D effect and make the drawing more lively and more interesting. As you see here, the drawing is getting better and better. The more detail we do it over the drawing, the more the sketch becomes live. Wow, it's getting really nice. Let's put the shades on the tail too. Shades also goes here. This is the back of the cute little dog. Now we can put it on the ground. If you like, you can put some grass on here. These are the grasses. Looks like the dog is getting alive after all the details is done. It's nice, right? I hope you like the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and your video and your drawings will be very good and better than this one too. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and comments and subscribe the videos. Tell your friends about it. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.